Welcome guys on Leo English lecture 4, and today we are going to learn simple future tense. Here we have the definition of this tense. It says an activity shall or will take place in the future. I'm going to put forward some examples as well. And by going through these examples, you can clear your mind, you can make up your mind that simple future tense sentences have to be form of will or shall followed by the simple form of the verb. So one by one you're getting examples of these tense simple future tense on your screen right now. You can always pause this video and copy down sentences and whatever things you can see on your screen. So yes, here we have 5 examples, friends, and these examples are, as I said, and the definition says, an activity will or shall take place in the future. There is a little rule for the usage of will and shall, but I will talk about that in coming videos. But at the moment, you keep in your mind that if you use will or would in all the simple future tense sentences, it will be okay, it will be good enough. So here is a small note as well regarding this rule. So try to make 10 more sentences on your own, friends, and see what you can get and your understanding is clear or not. So try to make 10 more sentences using will or shall and followed by the simple form of the verb. Is that okay, guys? Okay. So we are moving ahead to the next tense. So in today's lecture, we are covering another tense as well, and it is continuous present tense. So continuous present tense means what? So an activity is going on at the moment. For example, we have example for this tense as well. So an activity is going on. That means, say for example, the first example says the world is experiencing the effects of global warming. So in that particular sentence, the to be form of is has been used, followed by the ing form, the gerund of the verb. My friends are waiting for me to call them. People are adopting eco-friendly practices in their routine. All these sentences, you have the fourth example as well. I am working hard to succeed in my career. We are developing new technologies in the energy sector. So all these examples have the to be's form of either am, is or are, followed by the ing form of the verb. Now there is a little twist here, friends. I have come across many students who face difficulty in understanding simple present tense and continuous present tense. This one you are looking at the moment is continuous present tense, which is used for an activity which is going on right now, whereas simple present tense is used for, or simple present tense represents routine activities. You can check our earlier videos for this clarification of simple present tense for deep understanding of simple present tense. As of now, I can give you one example. Say for example, you are sitting in a garden. So you are sitting in a garden is, that sentence particular is a continuous present tense because that activity of sitting in a garden is happening at the moment. But if somebody comes and asks you that, do you go to school or college? And you would say, yes, I go to school or college. At that moment, you are not going to school or college. But when you say, I go to college or school, that means you want to show your routine. But when you say, on a way, you meet me or you come across me, and when I ask, you say that, okay, I'm going to college. At that point of time, you show continuous activity. That means your activity of going to school is going on at the moment. So this is the distinction between simple present tense and continuous present tense, guy. So please press a pause button and note down all the things that are on your screen. I hope you understand the basics of these tenses, and please wait for our another video for the next tenses. Till then, thank you for watching this. Goodbye.